In this short video, we'll be changing the oil and filter on this here John Deere riding mower. For this project, you will need oil. Most riders take SAE 10W30. You'll need an oil filter, a pair of gloves, some rags, and an oil filter wrench.
Right here you have the oil drain cap, and over here is the oil dipstick.
That's the old oil filter. It's got to come off. This is also a gas filter I installed earlier for extra protection. Now, a rule of thumb. Every time you change your oil, make sure you clean your air filter. We'll get to that in a little bit.
Alright, so this is you turn this, and when you pull it out, the oil will start coming. I'm hoping I can catch it. And you can open this to help the airflow. Oh shit, and that will happen.
Make sure you let all that old cruddy oil drain, and keep an eye on that drain cap. You don't want to lose it.
Now this is just a little oil filter ratchet or thingamajigger. What I like to do is fill up the new filter with some oil. Take your finger, get it all around that seam. Try not to get on the filter yet, because you want to tighten it, make it a little easier. Got good grip strength, you could just do hand tight if your grip strength isn't the strongest. Go ahead and grab that wrench and just give it a couple quarter turns. Take your cap, line it up, put it back on. Got some brake cleaner. Spray your hands off, get that oil off your gloves. Off all this shit. Try to stay away from the electronics and plastic.
Oh yeah, you'll need a funnel.
And you're gonna go ahead and grab your funnel. It's gonna take about 1.5 quarts, and I know that because I've done it in past times, and I write it down in the book. Put the cap back on. As you pull off your air filter, check that thing out. Go ahead and yank her off. So what I'm going to do is take my air gun and spray it down. Now go ahead and grab your oil compressor and spray that bitch out.
And make sure you give her a good spraying.
Go ahead and put your air filter back on.
Alright, after you got everything put back together the way it should be, go ahead and start that engine up, let her purr for a good 10 seconds.
After you ran the engine, let the oil go to all its places. You pull this out, clean it, seat it.
Go ahead and give her another spray down with that brake clean. Don't be shy. And that's it. So get to mowing.